Looking at Khao Lak today, it's hard to picture the devastation caused by the tsunami from that fateful day almost 10 years ago. The coastal village of Khao Lak on the Andaman coast in southern Thailand is a sight to behold. Relaxed, clean and dotted with luxury resorts, it is the perfect partner to the bustle of Bangkok. The Khao Lak Laguna Resort is one of the finest on this gorgeous stretch of coastline and prides itself on its friendly service. Uniquely designed in a classic oriental style in the embrace of nature, it features a variety of accommodation choices in seaside villas, oriental villas in the lush tropical gardens, or Siam chalets, all fully furnished with excellent amenities and a private terrace or balcony. With its multi-level beachside pool calling me, I settled in for some chill time. Now just say things get a little bit too relaxed at the resort. You cruised out a little bit too much. Never fear, you can take it up a notch easily. Come up here, get on the whitewater rafting. It's awesome. Sealand Camp, they do the job for us, and I'm excited by this. Then I can go back to the resort and cruise out again. Let's go, guys, eh? See ya! Rafting is really a whole lot of fun, and it's one of those things I reckon everyone should try at least once in their lifetime. The gang at Sealand Camp at Tone Parawat Sanctuary Station will really look after you. And if you don't get wet, well, you just didn't try hard enough. Woo-hoo! Oh! Ho-ho! Still pumped after riding the rapids, our host invited us on a short bushwalk in the nearby national park, with the promise of a treat at the end. I got wind that it involved a swim, and I was super keen for a much needed cooling down. The area was almost rainforest in its look, and there was a river running beside the track. Could it be? Yes, indeed. What a great spot, and floating in that cool mountain water brought my temperature down about 10 degrees. How often have you thought to yourself, wouldn't it be cool to have a cooking class on the beach with bare feet? You've got your shoes on. Okay. You should be more relaxed, you know, have your feet in the sand.
The sign on the beach.
But that's what you can do, folks, on the beach at Khao Lak Laguna Resort. You must engage in the cooking school. It is such a wonderful experience, and not only did I have the honour of 2 head chefs teaching me some traditional Thai culinary skills, we had a laugh at the same time. Some crazy.
Yeah.
But it wasn't all about laughs. I was learning some new skills as well.
Okay, into the cold water. See, that took like 2 seconds. Bang, bang, it was ready. Thai people are so loving and friendly, and it's no different in the class. My Thai is not great, but the chefs have a great way of explaining and demonstrating all the tricks of their trade. And before long, I'm cooking like a master chef. Not bad. Well, maybe a master apprentice. Yeah. Oh, no! And how good is this backdrop? What a kitchen. I could handle that any day. I guess it was only natural that doing a cooking class was going to make me hungry. Well, lucky for me, dinner was not far off. And with the Andaman Sea as a backdrop and a 5-star banquet at the ready, Laguna Khao Lak rose to the occasion again. Well, not only is it a 5-star location here, but the food is a gastronomical delight for everybody. And every night, whether you choose a la carte or off the 5-star buffet menu, which changes every evening, you're not going to be disappointed. Not one iota. This is just for starters. You can't beat fresh sashimi. For your taste of Thailand to be all that it should be, head to tourismthailand.org/au.